Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay guys, so over the last few days I've made 2 videos showing how to fix the Google speech services annoying notification saying that there's an update and the update gets stuck. Quite a few people have messaged me back saying that it worked for a few days and then the notification keeps coming back. So guys, I've actually found a way to solve this problem for good until Google get on top of this and fix it, because it's a widely spread, well-known issue that a lot of people are having right now, and it's so annoying seeing that dreadful notification saying that there's an update, and when you try to update it keeps saying that it's waiting for your Wi-Fi connection or whatever. And you know that your Wi-Fi is working perfectly fine, but the download just never completes. So anyway, guys, I'm going to save less of the talking, get into the video and solve this issue for you all. So just go into the settings and go to Google. Settings for Google Apps. Search Assistant and Voice. Voice. Offline speech recognition. Auto update. Select Do Not Auto Update Languages. And then go back into the settings and look for apps. Where is it? And then just type it in the search bar. Google Speech Services. So there it is. And where it says notifications here, select it and just turn it off. You do not want any notifications regarding this speech services by Google. So just turn it off and just reboot the phone, guys. And if the problem does reoccur, just come back into here, guys, and just disable it for good. Just disable it. It's not important anyway, so just disable the app. And that's it. Anyway, that's it for the video, guys. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, share the video. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and see you in the next one.